Namaste. Welcome to the Speaker's Yoga Diary. Day 4. When we are in the world, we are already corrupt. While living in the world, we cannot speak about ethics and morality. We create our own ethics to deal with the multiple situations. Every individual has his or her ethics. Therefore, my ethics comes into conflict with his or her or your ethics. Conversely, we collectively create morality to maintain order. Ethics is subjective, morality is societal. We create our ethics to deal with a particular situation and morality to maintain a semblance of order in society. Our ethics always come into conflict with the morality. This is eternal. We are living in this conflicting situation, caught in between our ethics and morality. But in this conflicting situation, we are indulging in corrupt thinking and actions. Both ethics and morality bind us. Both, however, can never make us spiritual. Being spiritual is nothing to do with our individual ethics and societal norms of right and wrong, which we have created to prolong our accidental living. Being spiritual is seeking freedom inwardly, deconstructing the ethics we have created for ourselves and outwardly complying with the morality to maintain order. The conflict ensues when we give supremacy to our ethics, disregarding the morality. Where there is a conflict, there is a chaos. It is only chaos, nothing less or more. Amidst the chaos, we are living and functioning. In this chaotic situation, we can never be spiritual. The goal of our sadhana is to release from this chaos. Namaste. And with lots of love and good wishes to everyone and their families. Thank you very much. Namaste.